Again, I, Anjum Bhati Nirban, welcomes you to join the class of English grammar. As you all know, yesterday we have completed, in our previous video, we have completed notice writing. Today we are going to start letter writing. Okay, in letter writing, we'll understand what is a letter, types of letter, and format of letter writing. Okay, and after all these things, I'll give you an example to make you better understand. So class, first we'll understand what is a letter. Okay, letter क्या होता है? A written or printed message that you send to somebody through post or courier. Letter is a written or printed message. Okay, that you send to somebody through post or courier. जिसे हम भेजते हैं कि via post or courier. Okay, letter has two parts. First is formal letter and second is informal letter. Formal letter we use for official or business purposes, okay, and informal letter which we use for our personal purposes like friends or family. Okay, class, I think these all things you have already read in your previous classes. Today we'll understand what is formal letter and what is informal letter. So let's have a look. Formal letter. Formal letter we use for business or professional purposes. It includes applications and to the editor, to the newspaper. हम editor को भी letter लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर. Okay, application जो हम school वगैरह में use करते हैं, that also we can write in formal letter as a formal letter. Okay. And it should be simple language. यहाँ पर कैसी language होनी चाहिए? Simple, so the reader can easily get what you are writing, what you have written for him or her. Okay, कि language इतनी easy होनी चाहिए कि सामने पढ़ने वाला अच्छे से get कर सके. Okay, then we can also use government department and institutions. As I have told you, institution के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Application. Suppose आपको school में principal को लिखना है, तो वहाँ पर हम क्या use करेंगे? Formal letter. And informal letter, if we talk about informal letter, so we use it for personal communication, for our personal communication, and it includes family and friends. इसमें क्या क्या include होता है? Family and friends. And the language should be casual or the tone should be emotional tone. Okay class, that is informal letter. So I hope this is clear to you all what is formal letter and what is informal letter. In short form, we can say that formal letter we use for official purposes and informal letters we use for personal purposes. Okay. First, I'll explain you how we write a letter according to the situation. See here, this is a boy. Okay. And this boy is writing a message. Okay, something he is writing. Okay, he writing a letter and this message form will say it letter. Okay, then he will send this letter to the post office. Okay class, and attach the receiver's address with it. ये क्या करेगा? प्रोवाइड करवाएगा रिसीवर का एड्रेस, देन ही विल सेंड इट द पोस्ट ऑफिस. ओके, एंड पोस्ट ऑफिस क्या करेगा? पोस्टमैन को जिसके घर लेटर जाना था वहां उसको भेज देगा. ओके, दैट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ लेटर. ओके, कि फर्स्ट द सेंडर विल राइट अ लेटर, देन इट send it to the post office with the attachment of the receiver's address, then the post office send the letter to the receiver's house. Okay, to the receiver also. Okay, we can say that. So this is the formation of letter. Next we'll see the format of formal letter. Okay, the format of formal letter. So before starting the format of formal letter, I'll tell you that we'll read today two kinds of format. Okay, जैसा कि हमने पढ़ा कि लेटर के कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं? टू पार्ट्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट फॉर्मेट फॉर्मल लेटर, सेकंड इज इनफॉर्मल लेटर. सो फर्स्ट विल रीड फॉर्मेट ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर. ओके, देन विल रीड फॉर्मेट ऑफ इनफॉर्मल लेटर. ओके, पहले अभी हम जो समझने वाले हैं, कौन सा लेटर समझने वाले हैं? फॉर्मल लेटर विच वी यूज फॉर ऑफिशियल पर्पसेस. Okay class, so in format of formal letter, first will come, what will come? Sender's address. Who is sender here? The person who is writing a letter. Suppose you are writing a letter, so you are sender. Okay, तो सबसे पहले आपका एड्रेस आएगा, then date on which you are writing a letter. कौन सी डेट आएगी? जिस दिन आप लेटर लिख रहे हैं. Okay, then receiver's address. What is receiver's address? The person who is getting the letter, whom you are writing a letter, okay, that is receiver, okay. Uska address hum mention karenge. Then salutation. What is salutation? In other language we can say it's a kind of greeting. Okay, we use dear, sir, madam, that is salutation. Okay, then subject will come. What will come? Subject. Subject क्या है? जिस बेस पर हम लेटर लिख रहे हैं, that is the title and that is subject. Okay, तो subject लिखने का क्या benefit होता है? The reader can easily understand that the letter is, what is the letter about, कि letter किसके बारे में. Okay, so we'll write, it is the compulsory form that we need to write over there, subject. Okay, then after subject we'll write body of letter, in which the main content will come. Okay, I have divided body of letter into three parts. First is introduction, second is main content, and third is summary. Okay class, first is introduction, in which we give the introduction, what we need to say, and we can introduce ourselves also. And second, main content. Next, in this we need to tell what we want and what we want to say. Okay, and then summarize the letter in third form. Okay, that is body of letter. Then after body of letter, what will come? Complimentary clause. Will complimentary clause क्या होता है? It's a kind of informal way we can say goodbye, but in letter we write over there yours faithfully, yours sincerely, with thanking you. Okay, formal letter में हमें thanking you use करना है. Okay, with the thanking you will write yours obediently, yours sincerely, okay, yours faithfully, right? Then there will come sender's name and signature. Okay class, what will come? Sender's name and signature. Who is sender? The person who is writing a letter. So these 8 things we must keep in our mind while writing a letter. What kind of 8 things? Sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, body of letter, complimentary clause, and sender's name with signature. So class, all these things should be in sequence. Okay, I have given you an example. Let's do it. Example like this, a formal letter is Gandhinagar is thickly populated locality inhabited mainly by the working class people. Gandhinagar क्या है? Working class people से बिल्कुल populate हुआ हुआ है. And unfortunately there is no Amul milk booth. यहाँ पर कोई भी Amul milk booth नहीं है in the locality. Write a letter in 100 to 120 words to the editor. Now we need to write over here letter to the editor. Editor of a local daily drawing the attention of the authorities to the problem faced by the people. Now we have to tell the all kind of problem faced by the people and also request them to open a milk booth in their locality. हमें क्या रिक्वेस्ट करनी कि हमारी लोकेलिटी में एक मिल्क बूथ भी होना चाहिए. You are Sham or Shobha. या तो अगर बॉय है they will write Sham, and अगर गर्ल है तो they will write Shobha. And where you live? For Gandhinagar, Mumbai. Okay class? So this is kind of formal letter. First we need to write over a sender's address. So sender address have given as for Gandhinagar, Mumbai. Okay, the person who is writing the letter उसके लिए है तो उसका sender address यहाँ आ जाएगा. Then date. Why I have written over here date only? मैं इसलिए लिखा है कि जिस दिन आप लेटर वर्क करोगे उस दिन की आप डेट मेंशन कीजिएगा. ओके, देन whom we have to send the letter? The editor. Okay, so we'll address them. The editor, Hindustan News, Mumbai. So I have given the receiver's address. And who is the receiver over here? The editor, Hindustan News, Mumbai. Now the salutation will come, respected sir or madam. Then subject, we need to tell over here subject. It is compulsory. Subject क्या है हमारा? Absence of Amul milk booth in Gandhinagar. यानी जो reader है वो समझ जाएगा कि इस base पर इन्होंने हमें letter लिखा है. Then we need to write over here body of letter writing. Okay, in which I have divided into 3 parts. First I have given introduction, then I have given main content, and then summarize the letter. Okay, so introduction part like this. I am Sham or Shobha, a resident of Gandhinagar. कहाँ रहता हूँ या कहाँ रहती हूँ? Gandhinagar. I am writing to you in order to raise the issue of absence of an Amul milk booth in my locality. यानी ये introduction हो गया है कि हमने किस बारे में और हम कौन है, letter लिखा है. Then main content, what we want to say. Gandhinagar has a huge population which comprises a daily vehicles. Still, the area does not have an Amul milk booth. कि यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग हैं, but there is no Amul milk booth. Single Amul milk booth यहाँ नहीं है. The residents face many problem. Residents means जो वहाँ पर रहते हैं, वो लोग यहाँ पर बहुत problem face कर रहे हैं, as they have to walk up to 10 kilometers every morning to get their daily stock of milk and milk products. जैसा कि उन्हें हमेशा 10 किलोमीटर फार अवे हर मॉर्निंग पर जाना होता है सिर्फ एक मिल्क लेने के लिए, यानी मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स लेने के लिए. दिस हैज आल्सो लेड टू ब्लैक मार्केटिंग. द पीपल ऑफ द एरिया आर गेटिंग हैरेस्ड. यानी यहाँ पर कभी कभी हमें ब्लैक मार्केटिंग, यानी कोई लोग इसका ज्यादा मनी भी किसी प्रॉफिट के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, तो हमें चाहिए हमारी लोकेलिटी में ही मिल्क बूथ हो. ओके, now I summarize the letter as the situation is serious. जैसा कि situation बहुत serious है, I request you to highlight it through your newspaper so that the Amul authorities are sensitized towards it and do the needful. कि आप अपने newspaper में इस news को डालिए ताकि कोई भी Amul authorities इस news को पढ़े और हमारी कॉलोनी में आने के लिए कोशिश करे. Okay, that is all about the formal letter. Okay, then we need to conclude, we need to end it with a complimentary clause, that is thanking you, yours sincerely, and then we need to write over there our name or sign. So we'll write Sham or Shobha. So that is all about formal letter. Okay class, so let's quickly revise it, what we have read in formal letter. First we read what is a letter, then types of letter, and then format of letter. Format is very compulsory and necessary. Okay, as I have told you in composition part, there is one thing which is compulsory to learn, that is format only. Okay, without format you can't do thing better. Okay, so first, what is letter? A written or printed message that you send to somebody through post or courier. Letter has two types, formal and informal. In short, we can say formal we use for official purposes, and informal letters we use for personal purposes. Okay, I have explained you by this picture. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. Then we read the format of formal letter. In format of formal letter, there are mainly 8 things. First is sender's address, second is date, third is receiver's address, salutation, subject, and then body of letter. After completing body of letter, we need to write complimentary clause and sender's name or signature. Okay class, and first most important thing you need to remember, that is you can see over here the sequence. आप देख रहे हैं सीक्वेंस ऑफ लेटर राइटिंग. अब कई बार क्या होता है, कई बच्चे क्या करते हैं, इस सीक्वेंस को यहाँ कर दिया, डेट यहाँ लिख दी, एडिटर कहीं लिख रहे हो, सब्जेक्ट कहीं जा रहा है. नहीं, हमें ऐसा नहीं करना है. वी नीड टू राइट ओवर हियर विद द सीक्वेंस. ओके, एक ही सीक्वेंस में चलना चाहिए. सीक्वेंस को यूज करने के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे, आपकी कॉपी में मार्जिन लाइन होती है पिंक, ओके, और ब्लू कलर. सो आप उसी मार्जिन लाइन को टच करते हुए लेटर राइटिंग लिखेंगे. ओके क्लास, आई होप दिस लेटर इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. लेट्स मूव ऑन द सेकंड लेटर व्हिच इज इनफॉर्मल लेटर. So the format of informal letter is, there is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. In formal letter we read 8 things, and in informal letter will read only 6 things. Okay, सबसे पहले क्या आएगा, sender's address. What will come? Sender's address means this is compulsory in both the letters. Sender and address तो compulsory है, and date is also compulsory. Salutation is also compulsory, but there is a change in salutation. Here we'll write dear friend or friend's name, dear mother, dear father, because in formal letter we write for our family members or friends only. Okay, so we'll write over there dear friend, dear father, dear mother, dear brother, dear sister. Okay, then what will come? Body of letter. अब याद कीजिए हमें क्या चीज हमने नहीं लिखी है यहाँ पर जो कि फॉर्मल लेटर में थी. एग्जैक्टली हमने क्या नहीं लिखा है, रिसीवर्स एड्रेस, यहाँ कंपल्सरी नहीं है, एंड सब्जेक्ट. हमने दोनों चीजें स्किप की है, किसमें, इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स में. ओके, दिस इज नॉट कंपल्सरी टू राइट ओवर हियर. नेक्स्ट इज बॉडी ऑफ लेटर इन विच introduction, main content and summary will come. Okay class, Then after body of letter will write complimentary clause. In this will not write thanking you. Okay, हम thanking you नहीं लिखेंगे यहाँ पर. हम complimentary clause में क्या लिखेंगे? Yours lovingly or your loving your friend. Okay class, that is complimentary clause for the family members or friends. Then we'll write sender's name. Okay, there is a body of letter. It is divided into 3 parts, as I have told you in our previous letter, in formal letter, sorry. First we introduce, means purpose of the letter, then main content, all details, information, and last summarize the information. हम summarize करेंगे. Now in the informal letter, the points to be remembered, like casual tone. As I have told you, there should be a casual tone. Contractions होना चाहिए, like हम इसको use कर सकते हैं, I have not. Short form use कर सकते हैं, okay? Then exclamatory sentence भी हम use कर सकते हैं. Active voice हम use कर सकते हैं sentences. And then no strict rules. हम जब फैमिली मेंबर्स को या फ्रेंड्स को लिखते हैं तो देयर वी कैन से दैट कि यहाँ कोई स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स हम नहीं अप्लाई करेंगे तो भी चलेगा. ओके, क्योंकि हमने लेटर किसको भेजा है? फैमिली को और फ्रेंड्स को. बट ये स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स किसमें अप्लाई होने चाहिए? फॉर्मल लेटर में हम जरूर अप्लाई करेंगे, सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को फॉलो करेंगे. ओके, देन देयर इज एग्जांपल of informal letter. Suppose write a letter to your friend who just met with an accident. आपको क्या करना है? एक लेटर लिखना है अपने फ्रेंड को. नाउ यू इमीडिएटली कैच इट कि हमें फ्रेंड को लिखना है, मींस इट इज इनफॉर्मल लेटर. ओके, फ्रेंड को लिखना है मतलब ये क्या है? इनफॉर्मल लेटर है. Who just met with an accident, informing him about his speedy recovery in consoling tone in about 120 to 150 words. You are मानवी और मानव. यानी यहाँ नेम भी मिल गया है हमें, हम कौन है? मानवी है या फिर मानव है. हमें अपने फ्रेंड को एक लेटर भेजना है जो कि अभी एक्सीडेंट से रिकवर ही हुआ है. ओके क्लास, लेट्स डू द एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? वी नीड टू सेंड आवर address. Okay, we need to write over here our address, sender's address, which is 129 Navayug apartment, Pitampura, Delhi. Okay, next is date. We need to write the date as on which we are writing. Okay, date on which we are writing. Then dear friend, this is salutation. Okay, dear friend, name has not given, so we write friend. Dear friend, I hope this is body of letter. I hope this letter finds you in the best of spirit. When I visited last week, you seemed a little bit depressed. Come on boy, you should thank God for giving you a fresh lease of life. Everything is going to be fine very soon. I even talked to your doctor this morning and he told me that you are out of danger now. You will have to remain in the hospital for a few more days, but that is not something you should be concerned about. कि आपको थोड़े दिन के लिए हॉस्पिटल में रहना होगा, but don't concern it about. Okay, your family and friends are there for you. आपके फ्रेंड और आपकी फैमिली हमेशा आपके साथ है. Don't forget that life is a mixture of joys and sorrows. आप मत भूलिए कि लाइफ में कभी कभी खुशी भी आती है तो कभी कभी गम भी आते हैं. Okay, by the way, all of us have decided to celebrate your recovery. As soon as you come home, you will be throwing a party the day you come back home from the hospital. Okay, हमने क्या डिसाइड किया? पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की है. जैसे ही आप घर पर आ जाओगे, रिकवर होगे, तो हमने क्या डिसाइड किया है कि पार्टी करेंगे. होप टू सी यू सून. होप करता हूँ आप जल्दी आए. माय पेरेंट्स एंड यंगर सिस्टर हैव सेंट यू lots of love and wishes. Okay, wish you the speedy recovery. Yours truly, mean this is the complimentary clause. Yours truly, we can write over here. If girl is there, so we'll write Manvi, or boy, so we'll write Manav. Okay, Manvi or Manav. So I hope these both the kind of letters, formal and informal, have clear to you all. Please go through of it and remember the format only. Okay, try to learn the format only. Don't learn the एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लेटर. ओके, आप एग्जाम्पल लर्न करना है, रट्टे मारने से कुछ नहीं होगा. हमें सिर्फ क्या करना है? फॉर्मेट पर फोकस करना है. वी नीड टू फोकस ओनली फॉर्मेट. ओके, यू नीड टू लर्न बोथ द फॉर्मेट ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर और इनफॉर्मल लेटर. ओके क्लास, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी रिलेटेड टू इट, यू कैन आस्क मी. यू आर फ्री टू आस्क.